prepare to lose.
42.
Yeah. Just when you get the shoe, check with your feet. And then if it doesn't, then you get your shoes.
So the game works like this. We got 10 rounds, all right? And the one with the most scores win. If you hit 10 pins, that's a strike. If you hit less than 10 pins, you get another chance to empty it out, which is a spare, all right? But I mean, it doesn't really matter because I'm just gonna win. So it's as simple as that.
How do you know which ball is better?
So actually, the one with the heavier pound balls can hit most of the pins, all right? And the one with the light ones, they have more speed, but they don't have power. And the one important thing in bowling is that you need power. So most of the pros, they use heavier pound balls, which is why I am using a 11-pound ball? 11-pound ball. It's simple for me, and it's also based on stability. Leave this one, she'll lose. Oh, 14 pounds. 14. Ah, nah, I'm good.
I thought heavy ones win, yeah?
Heavier ones win is also based on what you're comfortable with. Alright?
But then, aren't you comfortable with
No,
14?
no.
Are you saying you can't lift 14?
I'm comfortable with 11. Listen, my time will come, alright? I'm in the growing stage. Eventually I can lift the heaviest one ever. So
So these are the teams. Team 1, we have Gopika, Saron, President Neham. President Neham. We have President Neham. There's President Neham. Where's Neha? I don't know how my name is the first on this, but Ransom is here. Stefan is here. Sini is here. Anna is here. So team 1 definitely is going to win.
Yeah.
So now we are starting. Ransom needs to go first and Gopika. So let's see who wins.
Go! Come on. Go! Go on! Bro. Nah. This one. Yeah, one more try, one more try. Go on. Go on, big man, let's go. Come on, Ransom. Ransom. Oh! Wait. Oh! No.
That was pure luck. Give me a moment. That was pure luck, guys. That's pure luck. Oh, yes! She's coming for you. She's coming for you. Show your face. Show your face. President Neham. Do it. No. Okay.
Oh! Wow! That's not my team, so I cannot be happy. Yeah, now Gopika. Okay, now we need to see Gopika. Oh!
Good try, good try.
Yeah, that's good. That's my team. I should be here. Miss Naham.
I have to go, right?
Okay.
Film his face.
You'll see this one.
See what? See what? Please zoom into the scope. Wait, who is the winner over there? Zoom. Who is on 13? Who is on 13? Exactly.
Who's on 16?
What? Why did you get 16? No.
There's a
Where?
new leader. There's a new leader. And a new winner. Yeah. Did you take physics? You take physics. You took physics, yeah? You took A levels. I taught this one. I told you to
He was
use.
not even on my team.
I told you to use the lighter. No?
Yeah.
Alright. Go Baker. Let's see if this one can take revenge, yeah? Watch, go on. Go on. Watch out! You missed again. Physics. Where's the physics, Kopika? Come on. Oh, where are you? Come on. Let's go. Okay. So the physics left behind, yeah? So go on. Sharon, your turn.
How?
Go on.
How? Wait, I got 13. I'm still
No,
13.
it's still the same score.
Did he say to use
Anna.
heavy ball?
Yeah.
It's still fine, try. My nails are breaking.
I'm gonna try like a 10 for no reason. Let's see how it goes.
Finish it. Let's go. Guys, look. I didn't make it because I was using the wrong strategy. Now I know, so you will see. You will see. I said I'm gonna lose so they can win.
Okay, let's see. Show us what you got.
Sorry guys, I'm too good. I'm too good for this. Oh, it's me! It's me!
Everyone share.
Wait, look at that. Oh.
Okay, but at least I got this.
Ransom is the leader, 59. Oh my God.
Says who? Guys, it's rigged. It's rigged. It's rigged. It's rigged. That's final. No, I don't. I don't see no players. What's going? It's Naham again. Is he going to make it?
Number 5, yeah? You guys are in number 6.
Naham, no. Okay, never mind. He's actually gonna make it.
I was saying that you guys are ahead of us.
No. Which is the ball that you use? This is heavy. How is he hitting a strike with this? No! I got almost a strike, but I didn't get a strike. It's my turn?
What happened? What happened?
It's way too heavy. What is wrong with me?
What happened again?
No comment.
What happened there?
What happened?
Who is it? Is he going to make it? Or is he not? That's still good. That's still good. And he is back again. Is he going to make it? And he's close. Whoa! And it is King. And Ransom is back with another strike? Was that a strike? Never mind, he's going to lose.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm using that now. I'm using that.
Now it's President Neham.
3 pins, Neham, 3 pins. The maximum is 3 pins.
Now I'm encouraged.
He's encouraged.
That's all. I'm not alone.
He said he didn't want to play. Why are you playing if you didn't want to play?
I'm waiting for the same ball. Yeah, you can.
Guys, do you see this? I played so bad for myself, and I have to everybody else to win. Look at Neham, 91. I have to.
I'm this. I'm the.
Only relevant people get to talk.
I got my game. Okay, I played consistently. This one messed up, but absolutely got instant karma. Instant karma. She thought that she could win. All right, now I'm not gonna give any chocolates. So yeah.
Neham, if you order this, you're not packing anything home. You will sit and eat. Have you guys seen Neham eat? He will order all those separate things. The food will come. He'll have 2 bites, and he's like, I'm full.
So after we finish the game,
He got in the car. He's done.
we are here. Gopika is talking a lot, as usual. She does not know I'm filming her, but she talks a lot. This one. Neham was in the opponent team,
I like it.
and he lost. He was in my team. She was not in my team, so they lost. She was in my team. She was in my team. This one they won. This one's lost. They were in the other team.
He's lying. Don't believe. You know, like when you lose, you have a lot to say, but when you win, you don't have anything to say. So I don't have anything to say, because I was playing for everyone. Look at such a good person I am. I was playing for everyone. I even hit a strike for someone. I was playing, and I played bad for myself on purpose. Who's going to do this? And these guys are so ungrateful.